Get ready to discover the strategic mind of one of the most influential military thinkers in history. Welcome to our Sun Tzu series, where we'll be exploring quotes from his famous book, The Art of War. This 30-part series will provide you with valuable insights and wisdom to help you succeed in sales and business. This is part 5. So, let's delve into the wisdom of Sun Tzu and learn how to apply it to our daily lives. Are you tired of constantly feeling like you're falling short in your business or sales career? Do you feel like you're always one step behind the competition? Perhaps it's time to take a page out of Sun Tzu's book and put yourself in a position where defeat is impossible. Sun Tzu once said, "The good fighters of old first put themselves beyond the possibility of defeat, and then waited for an opportunity of defeating the enemy." This quote highlights the importance of preparation and readiness in achieving success. As a salesperson, sales manager, or business owner, you must first identify your strengths and weaknesses, and then leverage your strengths to the fullest. This could involve research, networking, training, or personal skill improvement. Once you are fully prepared, you can actively seek out opportunities to achieve success. By being ready to act and the right opportunity arises, you can put yourself in a strong position to succeed. Whether it's prospecting for new clients, seeking strategic partnerships, or identifying new markets to enter, the key is to be prepared and ready to seize the moment. For example, imagine you are a salesperson who has thoroughly researched a potential client and identified areas where your product or service could provide significant value. By preparing a strong sales pitch and highlighting specific ways your offering could benefit the client, you put yourself in a strong position to win the business. In summary, Sun Tzu's quote emphasizes the importance of preparation and readiness in achieving success. By putting yourself in a position where you are well prepared and ready to act, you can increase your chances of success and secure victories. So, are you ready to put yourself beyond the possibility of defeat? This is the end of the video. Don't forget to look out for part 6 of this 30-part series. If you enjoy this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Buy us a coffee to help this channel grow. Take care and have a great day.